What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cartel here. In this video, we're going to talk about how to get out the projects for beginners, okay? If you are someone that's in the projects or you maybe right outside the projects and you want to get out, we're going to talk about that in this video, all right? Before we get into it, make sure you sub up to the channel. I'm posting daily content. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel grow just tremendously, okay? And then also drop your comments below. Let's get into it. Getting out the projects. I want to let you guys know something you already know. YouTube is completely free. You need to utilize your YouTube channel, document what you do already, or make videos every single day. That right there is going to help you with your situation. Now I'm going to go in detail with this. Okay? Because you can't just do anything and expect to get the results that you want. Okay? YouTube is the end all be all. Let's be very clear on that. You need to create content and you need to show YouTube that you can be consistent on a daily basis. Okay? Or a weekly basis. That way YouTube can pay you. That way you can get monetized on YouTube. I want to help you guys out because I understand what it feels like having no money. I understand what it feels like living in the projects, right? Especially when it comes to your safety, etc. I want you guys to understand, boy or girl, young or poor, YouTube is for you. Create content, make videos 20 to 30 minutes. That is going to get the job done, okay? But you got to do it consistently every single day and get better at it just by 1%. Look at your numbers after 30 days. Look at your numbers after 90 days. Use the YouTube Studio app like it's your bank card. I want you guys to use that bad boy every day. And look at your numbers. Study your videos. Study what's going viral. Study what's not. Look at your numbers. Be consistent, right? Your brand, which I think is also your channel, can grow just super big if you do this, okay? So I want to help you guys understand that content creation is for everybody. Every single body. But you got to put in that work. You got to put in the time. You got to put in that work to get the job done. I've watched a lot of content creators, a lot of YouTube videos, and I promise you, if you do this strategy, you will get out the projects. And I've lived in the middle class, I lived in the upper class, and I'm telling you, the projects is not it. There's no part of it that's beneficial. Okay, the environment, nothing about it. And it doesn't matter where you are. Typically, the projects is the worst of the worst. So you got to make purposeful content. Make content that's helping people out. If you're some type of mechanic, make mechanic videos. If you're a teacher, make teacher videos. Your channel is going to dictate how successful you are on YouTube. Do your research first. That's the first thing you got to do. Do your research, okay? On what type of content you want to make. Make the same type of content, but try to make it better, okay? All you need is your phone. You have exactly what you need. If you have a YouTube channel, which is completely free, you need to utilize that YouTube channel. Make content, make videos every day. Get better at it. All it takes is repetition, 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 repetition. After you keep doing this, I promise you, you're going to be like, man, I wish I would have started earlier. And I wish you would have started earlier. I wish I would have started earlier. But it is what it is. Okay? We didn't. So try to get 1% better every day. And try to do your research. Okay? Do your research. Look at a lot of videos. Look at a lot of content. Look at a lot of YouTubers. And try to see what they're doing the best. And see what they're not doing successfully. Okay? Understand that. I believe everybody should have their own brand. Okay? Whether it's huge or not. And I believe their channel should be part of that. Okay? YouTube is going to be going on for a long time, guys. A super long time. So you need to go ahead, make your content, get a whole backlog of content. That way, when you get monetized, You just getting paid hella money. YouTube is going to take care of you. When you get monetized, YouTube is going to take care of you. But what happens is beginners, they make these 2, 3, 4, 5 minute videos, right? And they think that's enough. That's not enough. It doesn't keep people engaged enough for the watch time. If you do it that way, what's going to happen is it's going to take you 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years, right? I don't want it to take 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years. I want it to take a year, 6 months, 3 months, right? I want you guys, if you're in the projects, I want to help you guys get out the projects in months, not years, in months. And you can record content in the projects, in your home, around the projects, depending on the time of the day, right? Every location, it matters, all right? So if you can't go outside, that's fine. Stay inside and make purposeful content. Get creative. Okay, change up your background a little bit. Change up the thumbnail. Understand that people look at the thumbnail first, then the title. Thumbnail, then title. Okay, they might do research on YouTube, but they're looking at thumbnail first and then title. So you got to act accordingly. You got to move accordingly. Like I said, content creation is for everybody. Not everybody is going to make the content that they need to make. There's like 10% of people that makes videos and makes content like they should. Are you the 10% or the 90%? Are you the 10% or the 90%? 90% of the people have YouTube channels, they don't have no videos. Ridiculous. Okay? You telling me only 10% of people have videos? And I think there's an even smaller number of people who have over 1,000 views, right? So don't be the 90%. Be the 10%. And it's very doable. I'm asking you and telling you at the very same time to make content on a daily basis. Don't skip a beat. Don't miss a day. YouTube is for you. And your audience is out there. Your community is out there. But if you don't make the purposeful content you're supposed to make, then how are they going to find you? How are they going to find you? Get better, people. Okay? Look at your videos. Make them long-form content. Remember that. That's the key. Subscribers are going to come fast. It's the watch time hours that you need. It's the watch time hours. Once you get over that hump, that's the money. That's the money coming. Knocking at the door. Okay? And then you want to be purposeful and make evergreen content. Content that people are going to look up and search forever. Like forever and ever and ever. If you could do that, you're going to help tons of people. You're going to make tons of money. Okay? I promise you. Your investment in YouTube will be worth it. Your investment in your time and your videos is going to be worth it. But like I said, people that know better, they do better. People that don't, obviously, they don't do better. It's unfortunate. Because I'm telling you, I don't care who you are, poor or rich, you need to be making videos every day. I don't care, rich or poor, right? Boy or girl, doesn't matter who you are. If you're watching this video right now, I strongly recommend that you start making videos on a daily basis. That way you get monetized. Everybody should want to get monetized because you can get paid by YouTube anywhere on this planet. You can make content anywhere on this planet. That's why you want to get monetized. Once you get monetized, you're good to go. You're good. You're set. I don't know what else I got to say. I don't know what else I got to show you guys. For you to be like, okay, I'm going to make content and I'm going to get really good at it. Make videos. Document your life. Document your life. That way you can look back on your life a year from now, 2 years, 5 years, 20, 30, 50, 60 years from now. And like, man, that's what I looked like. That's what I was talking about. Look at all the views I got. Look at all the comments I got. Look at what it's been like all that. Look, it's a year from now, 5, 10 years from now, you're going to be very proud of the work that you put in. Everything about making content and making videos, I promise you, is going to be in your best interest. It's going to be in your best interest to do this every single day. And don't miss a beat. If I could give you any type of advice, that's what it would be. I've watched tons of content creators, tons of videos, tons, thousands of videos. I promise you. That is what you do. The people that's getting paid tons of money, the YouTubers that's getting paid tons of money, they're making multiple videos every day, and they're making long form content, 20, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes. Whether it's videos, whether it's lives, whether it's shorts, they're making content on a daily basis. That's what you need to do. I think it's very doable for everybody, right? Even children can do this, okay? I mean, everybody can make money. There's nothing frowned upon making money. Everybody at any age, man or woman, you know what I'm saying? This video is for the hustlers. The beginners on YouTube, the beginners who want to make content. This video is for you. I want to help you guys out. There's tons of content creators and YouTubers that I could give you off the top of my head that you should check out. Dodash is one of them. Dante London is another one. Right, these are up and coming YouTubers that are fairly big, making good money, thousands of dollars. Okay, I make my money by exposing my business, and then the client reaching out to me. Right, so that's how I make most of my money. But I can tell you, the end all be all is YouTube. All right. Make the long form videos so YouTube can put these ads on your videos, okay? That way you can get paid. That way you can have financial freedom. That way you can do whatever you want to do, when you want to do it, how you want to do it, okay? This video is for anyone trying to make money online. Anyone, okay? Anyone. Again, I want you guys to, again, sub up to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up, especially if you're still watching it till now, okay? And comment below. I want to hear from you guys. Right now, I'm currently in Dallas, Texas, okay? Let me know where you guys are in Dallas, Texas. It's fairly cold here today, about 44 degrees. But again, I know it can get worse than that, right? You know Texas is going to get warm fairly fast, so I'm not worried about it. You know what I'm saying? You're going to get a little chilly days here and there. But other than that, I want you guys to sub up. That way you know when I post my lives, my videos, my posts, all that good stuff right there. You know immediately when I post, okay? So help me help you be great, okay? Sub up. It's completely free. I'm posting daily content in 2025. I believe this is day 43 of me posting daily content every single day this year, okay? Now I have multiple channels, but on this particular channel, okay, I want you guys to sub up, and I catch y'all on the next one. Peace!